Hi guys, my name is Pari. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a laundry load today just to show what the spin cycle is like and how loud the machine is. I'm just going to be doing a normal load. The machine, I already loaded up the clothes and I tried to do as much as I could so the machine is full. And I'm going to be using the normal load. I always do the auto dispense. It always stays on auto. It's going to be on normal soil. Temperature is going to be warm and it's going to be on a medium spin. I'll go ahead and change it to a high spin just to show how loud the machine actually gets. So we'll go ahead and start it. Here's the machine starting here. Let's turn the light on so we can see inside. It does have a very bright LED light. The sound that you just heard was the doors locking. And if you don't want kids to be able to touch the keypad, you just hold this light button here and it will lock it. So now you can't do anything. You can't make any changes. It won't do anything. So at this point, it is at the filling stage where it's actually just filling up the water. Okay, so now we're on the rinse cycle. Alright, now we're on the spin mode.